Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to use script option in SecureCRT. So in the last video we saw how to use buttons, and if you have not watched that video, I highly recommend you to do that. So this video is about the script option that we have over here and how to use script to do the repetitive tasks. And actually it is a Visual Basic script, so you don't need to have extensive knowledge about it. You just need to use it like a macro, how you do it in Excel. Similarly you can do it over here also. So we'll just quickly do a demo on how to do that. So what you need to do is just click on script and do a start recording. Okay, so whatever commands you will type over here, that will get recorded in sequential manner and get stored in that script. And later what you need to do is, once you run that script, all the same commands will run in the same sequence again. Okay, so you need to take care of the sequence properly. So let's go over the basics. So I face brief, okay. So what I'll do is I'll just add a description to so every vendor has its own configure command, so that happens, no problem. Even the failures are recorded in the same format. However, it will not cause any issues or any errors. So let's proceed. I will go in interface, past Ethernet 0, paste clipboard contents, test SecureCRT, okay, and write. So that's the end of my script. What I'll do is I'll go in the script and I'll do a stop recording. You need to store it somewhere, so I'll just store it on my desktop. Okay, I will just test script. So now all you need to do is go back on that script, do a run, and if you see the format, it is a VBScript. Okay, it is a default format that the script is stored in. I'll just show you what the script actually looks like. I'll open it in Note. So if you see under the sub hierarchy, all the commands that we have entered, even the enters are getting tracked. Okay, and it will execute in the same sequential manner. I'll just quickly show you. Run, and I'll just do a run. Exact steps are followed. So the motivation to use this is if you are from testing background and if you want to execute certain commands multiple times, like you have a BGP session that is up and you just want to flap it continuously by enabling and disabling BGP at group level or at neighbor level. So this comes in handy, you know. You can record the commands to disable the BGP peer, and then again you can record the commands to enable it, and you can execute it in loop. So either you do a copy paste multiple times, okay, maybe 10 times, and then just click on running the script, or alternatively there is an option to run a for loop. Okay, that I'll cover it in separate video, but for this video I'll just focus on how to create a script. So now you know how you actually create a script, and once you create a script, you can put that script into the button bar also. I'll show you that. So if you see here, we have an option of run script. Okay, you don't need to every time search that script. You can just browse it and label it. Okay, so now it is handy to you for running. So just click on it and you see that all the commands are executed in the same format. So okay, so from my point of view, this is a a really good feature since I am from the testing background. So that gives an added advantage to the tester from QA perspective. So I hope this session was informative and you got some idea on how to run a script using SecureCRT. I hope this session was informative and thank you for watching.